Start a blog. Being a blogger is one of the easiest ways to earn money from home. Unlike any other job, if you are blogging from home, you don't need to work 9 to 5. You can work at any time of the day with ease. But be aware, blogging takes time before it starts making money for you. So, I suggest you jump into this field slowly. If you have a day job, don't quit it. Start part time with your blog. Once it is on the stage where it is earning, then it's the best time to turn into full time blogging mode. It is suitable for people who love to write and would like to share their knowledge and expertise with the world. If you are able to express an idea in depth, then blogging is for you. The time required depends upon your level of expertise. If you are an expert, you can easily start a blog within few hours. For a complete beginner, a day or two would be sufficient to be ready with the basic setup. Before start blogging, you need to consider these following tips. Number 1, start a blog about something in which you are really good. For example, if you love traveling and you have traveled a lots of places, then start a travel blog. Second, always try to limit your blog to a particular domain. Don't put content about multiple domains in one blog. For example, writing about recipe tips on a fashion blog. Keep your blog specific to one domain only. Third, using your experience and expertise, try to create a very unique and phenomenal content. Fourth, try to give a lot of value to your readers. Write about something that will make a difference in your reader's life. 5. Listen to the readers on your blog. Try to solve their problems they are facing. Always reply to their comments and make them feel better. Sixth, be committed to your blog. A blog is like a relationship. Give it some love and it will flourish. Ignore it and it will die. There's no point in being half hearted in your blogging efforts. If you don't care about it, why should anyone else? 7. Think about content, style, tone of voice, audience, etc. Look at the people who already do what you are planning to do. Ask yourself the following questions. How will I stand out from the crowd? What can I say that has not already been said? What's my unique selling point? Why do I want to do this? 8. Be professional in the way you handle and grow your blog. Don't criticize another brands, bloggers, or people. Remember, what goes around comes around. You don't want something you have said to come back and bite you one day. 9. Be open minded and willing to collaborate with other creatives. You will meet some fantastic and awfully inspiring people. How to monetize it? You can monetize your blog by recommending products or services related to your blog's topic, either by writing an informative article or placing banner ads on your blog's relevant pages. You can earn handsome commission when a person buys a product recommended by you. Another way is you can place Google AdSense ads on your blog. More people click on your ads, more money you will make. So, what do you think? Does this method fits with you? If yes, then start today. Best of luck. Thank you.